Guys, good evening. For getting my screen and voice, please confirm in chat box. I think last 2 days we don't have the class. Sir, I have one doubt. Can I unmute? So, what is your doubt, Yogesh?
Actually, I have Mac, sir. I'm not able to install. I'm not able to install this one.
Which one?
Mobile stream.
Movie stream. We don't need to install anything, right? So, just we need to download and we need to unzip that folder.
Yes, sir. But in Mac, I am not able to do that, sir. You have any alternative idea?
See here in mobile stream, we don't have the download option. See here,
Yeah, sir.
you will get one zip folder, right?
Yeah.
So you need to extract the zip folder. If you extract the zip folder like this, you will get the folder. You need to go to there. Here we have the application. Just we need to run this application, open this application. That's it. We don't need to install anything for mobile stream.
Okay. Actually, sir, the thing this thing is built for only Windows, not for Mac. So I'm getting trouble in that.
Git bash. Did you try it? Git bash?
Yeah, sir. Git bash and boot is working, sir. But that one is also a little difficult, but I altered it, sir.
So I will check for mobile stream. Any other alternative is there? I will check. Right. Meanwhile, you will practice with that git bash and putty. Right. For mobile stream, I will check anything is there for Mac.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right, guys. In previous session, we have seen right how to create the virtual machine in AWS cloud and how to connect with that virtual machine by using putty, by using git bash, by using mobile stream. All these things we discussed in last session. See guys, here I have one virtual machine which is Linux VM. I have connected with this. I have connected with this Linux VM. Right now, I have started this Linux VM and I'm going to connect with this, guys. Click on connect. Right here, SSH. You will get copy this one. Copy this one. Right, go to git bash or whatever you are using. You can go to that. See here, wherever that PEM file is available, we need to go to that location. I have PEM file in my downloads folder. That's why I came to downloads folder. And here, I'm going to paste that command. It is not copied. Right. So we have connected with that mission, guys. We have connected with Linux mission. Now here we are going to practice all our commands, guys. Observe carefully, guys. In our Windows mission, if you want to create any folder, how you guys will create, guys? You will go to here. You will go to our Windows mission. Here through GUI we can able to create a right click here, new, right here, click on folder. One folder will be created, like give some name for this. That's it. Folder is ready. Folder is created, guys. Inside this you can create any file also. And here inside this you can create any text file or anything, whatever you want you can create it here. Sample text file I am creating. So we have GUI facility in Windows, guys, to creating the folders, to creating the files. Currently I am inside the temp folder. If I want to go back to D drive, if I want to go back to D drive from this temp folder, just if you click on this D, you can go back to here. Right, again if you want to move to temp folder, what we need to do, guys? Here just click on that folder, you will go inside that temp folder, guys. So like this we can move inside that folder. You can come out from the folder by using GUI itself. But coming to Linux, we don't have that facility, right? Everything we need to do through commands only. Now I want to create one directory. I want to create one folder inside the Linux. If you want to create the folder, if you want to create the directory, which command we need to use? mkdir. Mkdir stands for what? Make directory. Make directory, guys. Mkdir, right here, guys, see. Before that, currently where we are in, guys? PWD. PWD stands for present working directory. See guys, currently we are in inside home folder, inside EC2-user folder is available. See, in our system, if you go to C drive, here we have the users folder. Inside that users folder, you will get one folder with your name. See, 91953 is my folder name. See guys, inside that everything is going to happen. Right, same here also, the default folder you will get like this guys. In Linux, you will get the default folder like this. Right, inside home, right, this is the username. Inside home, this is the username like this you will get. PWD stands for present working directory. Currently, we are in inside EC2-user folder. Who is EC2-user guys? And whenever you created the Linux virtual machine, based on the image which you selected, one default user will be created. For Amazon Linux image, and here which operating system we installed? Amazon Linux. For Amazon Linux, default user is EC2-user. EC2-user is the default user for Amazon Linux. We can create our own custom users also. I will show how to create the users and all those things I will show guys. Okay. So now present working directory, it will give the location where we are in currently. And how you will know the location where we are in currently? By using pwd command. Now, whatever the folders I am going to create, whatever the files I am going to create, everything will be created inside this EC2-user only. Guys, now observe carefully. In Linux guys, everything will be files only. Everything will be files only. Right? In Linux, everything. Right? In Linux, and everything we will represent as files only. Right? We have below two types of files. We have below two types of files. What two types of files are available? One is directory files. Second one is normal text files. We have directory files and normal text files. Right? To create a directory, file. How you will create a directory file guys? By using this command. Right here, mkdir. Don't give dollar guys. Dollar already we have it here. Don't give dollar. Only we need to give mkdir. Right here, directory name. I am giving the directory name as DevOps. I am giving as the directory name. See guys, one directory is created. With the DevOps name, one directory is created. I want to create one more directory, mkdir AWS. Total, how many directories we have created? 2 directories. One is with the name DevOps, another one is with the name AWS. Right? In this folder, in this location, total how many files are available? I want to see. For that, we are going to use ls command. ls means list. It will list out the files which are available in the present working directory. What ls command will do? It will list out the files which are available in the present working directory. In the present working directory, what files are available? Just run this command. We have 2 files. One is AWS file, another one is DevOps file. Just now we have created these 2 files. These 2 files are available in present working directory. Clear guys? AWS is a directory, DevOps is a directory. Right? See here, we can create directories like this guys. dir name, directory name we need to give. And here, example I am going to give like this. Guys. Dollar. And mkdir. And here, DevOps I am creating as a directory. Next here, mkdir AWS I am creating as a directory. Next here, to list out the files which are available in present directory. present directory. What command we need to use? $ls command we need to use. ls command. What ls command will do? It will list out the files which are available in the present working directory. Right. To know the present working directory, guys, if you want to know the present working directory, what is the command? pwd. To know currently where we are in, right, in which folder, in which location, currently in which location we are in, which location we are in currently in, right, to know currently in which location we are in, right, what command we need to use? pwd command, present working directory. Present working directory, it will print current location. Right, to know the files which are available in this current location, we need to use ls command. To create the directory files, we need to use mkdir command. mkdir directory name we need to use. See guys, mkdir, see ls, if you give ls, here we have two files, AWS and DevOps. Right. So now, if you want to switch one directory to another directory, if you want to go inside the directory, I want to go inside the directory. How you will go, guys? Which command we need to use to go inside the directory? Right. Which command we need to use to go inside the directory? So this is the command, guys. cd DevOps we need to use. Right. Change directory. CD stands for change directory. I want to change the directory. Currently, what is the directory you are in? Right, currently you are in EC2-user, but I want to change the directory. Right, if you want to change the directory, what you need to give? CD. Change directory. Which directory you want to go? That directory name we need to give. I want to go inside this DevOps directory. CD DevOps. See guys, currently we are in DevOps directory. Do you have anything inside the DevOps directory? ls? No, we don't have anything. We don't have anything, guys. Now, if you want to come out, from the DevOps directory, I want to come out from the DevOps directory, cd space ... cd space ... you will come out from the DevOps directory. Understood, guys? See here, cd DevOps I am giving. Currently, you are inside the DevOps. Check pwd, present working directory. See, guys, home, EC2-user, DevOps. Currently, you are inside the DevOps folder. I want to come out from the DevOps folder. cd space ... Right now, check pwd. See, guys, currently, again, you came back to home -EC2-user only. Earlier, you are inside the DevOps folder. Whenever you used this cd space ... again, you came back to home EC2-user only. If you want to step inside the directory, cd DevOps. If you want to step out from the directory, cd space ... you need to give. Okay. Right, guys. Here, I want to go inside the directory. If you want to go inside the directory, what command we need to give, guys? To go to inside the directory. To go to inside the directory. What is the command we need to use? Here, $cd. cd stands for change directory. Directory name we need to use. dir name we need to use it here. To come out from the directory. To come out from the directory. What is the command we need to use? $cd space ... cd space ... Guys, see, guys. Currently, we are in EC2-user. cd DevOps. cd DevOps. Now we are inside the DevOps, guys. If you check pwd, see, guys, currently you are inside the DevOps. Guys, if you give cd space ... where you will go? From DevOps folder to, you will go back to EC2-user folder. Right, in single step, right, with a single command, I want to go directly to this home folder, guys. Right, 2 steps I want to go back. 2 steps. Currently, I am inside the DevOps. Now, at a time, I want to go back from DevOps to EC2-user, EC2-user to home I want to go. Right, 2 steps I want to go back. From here, I want to go to home directory. How we can able to give, guys? You give this command, only 1 step only you can able to go back. but I want to go back 2 steps. In that case, right, cd dot dot means 1 step slash 1 more step I want to go back. Like this we need to give, guys. If you want to go back 2 steps, like this we need to give cd space dot dot slash dot dot. Suppose if you want to go back 3 steps, slash dot dot, like this we need to give, guys. See, here I want to go back 2 steps. 2 steps, guys. Enter. Enter, guys. Currently you are in which folder? Home folder. Earlier you are in DevOps folder. DevOps folder to EC2-user 1 step, EC2-user to home 1 step, guys. Here if you check PWD, see what it is returning? Home it is returning. Means currently you are in home folder. See, at a time DevOps to directly you came to home folder, means 2 steps you came back. Understood, guys? If you want to come back 2 steps back, if you want to go back, you want to go 2 steps back, what is the command we need to use? To come out, to come out 2 steps, 2 steps back, to come out 2 steps back. And here we need to use this command, guys. $cd space dot dot slash dot dot we need to use. cd space dot dot slash dot dot we need to use. Right, if you want to, right, go inside 2 steps, guys. Right, 2 folders inside if you want to go at a time. Right, here then we need to use like this. Right, to go 2 steps forward. To go 2 steps forward. What is the command we need to give? See, guys, like this. Dollar cd dir name, directory name, slash, again another directory, dir name we need to give like this. With the slash separator we need to give both like this. Now you will go to 2 steps forward, guys. See here, let me go to here. Currently we are in home. At a time I want to go inside the DevOps folder. 2 steps I want to go. Then what we need to give? See, cd ec2 ec2-user slash DevOps. See, at a time I want to go 2 steps forward. 2 steps forward, guys. See, currently you are in DevOps folder, PWD. Present working directory is again DevOps. Is this clear, guys? Up to here, any questions? Up to here, any questions, guys? Because just to go through these notes once. Just to go through this, whatever we have written. In Linux, everything we will represent as a files only. Everything will be represented. Everything will be represented as files only. Right? We have 2 types of files in Linux. What are 2 types of files? Directory files and normal text files. Right, how you will create a directory file? Right, by using mkdir command we will create the directory files. I want to create 2 directory files. One is DevOps, another one is AWS. What command I need to use? Make directory, mkdir DevOps, mkdir AWS. With these 2 we can able to create 2 directory files. Suppose if you want to list out the files which are available in present directory, present working directory. If you want to list out the files which are available in present working directory, then which command we need to use? ls command we need to use. ls command will list out the files which are available in the present working directory. Right, to know currently in which location we are in. Which command we need to use? PWD. PWD stands for present working directory. PWD means, guys, give me some time, please. Right, we will discuss at the end all these things. Right. See, guys, so to know the currently in which location we are in, PWD we need to use present working directory. It will print currently where we are in. To go to inside the directory, we need to use this command cd. cd stands for change directory. Directory name we need to give. cd stands for change directory. Directory name we need to give. If you want to come out from the directory, 1 step I want to come out, then we need to use cd space dot dot. Cd space dot dot we need to give. If you want to come out 2 steps back, I want to come out, then which command we need to use? cd space dot dot slash dot dot we need to use to come out 2 steps back. If you want to go 2 steps forward, then how to give the command? cd change directory, right? First directory name slash second directory name we need to give. Please go through these steps once, guys. Please go through this. If anyone have any questions, we will discuss. Please go through this. Pranita, if they added you in the Telegram, you will get everything. That the Telegram already all our classes are shared. You can get everything in the Telegram group. Are you there in the Telegram group? You are not there in Telegram? I'm okay. Kalyan, please share the Telegram group. Right. If you I think if you are completed your enrollment process, they will add you in the Telegram group. There already we have uploaded all our class notes and class recordings. Everything uploaded in the Telegram group. You can get from there. Right, guys? Right. Up to here, clear, right? Can I proceed? Can I go ahead? Right, guys. Now what I want to do, see here, we have seen, up to now we have seen how to create the directory files. Now I want to create some normal text files also. Right? How I can able to create the normal text files? I want to create normal text files, guys. How I can able to create the normal text files? We'll see, guys. See here, to create the normal text files. Right, to create the normal text file, we need to use touch command. By using this touch command, let me come out from this DevOps. Fine. So by using touch command, touch, touch command, we can able to create empty files. Empty files we can able to create, guys. By using touch command, we can create the empty files. f1.txt. f1.txt. If you want to create a single empty file like this, we can able to create, guys. If you want to create single empty file, right, touch file name you need to give, right? One empty file is created. Check ls. See, guys, right, 2 directory files are available, 1 text file is available. Right, I want to create multiple text files at a time. Touch f2.txt space f3.txt space f4.txt. So like this, we can create multiple empty files like this. Guys, by using touch command, we can able to create only empty files. There is no data inside the file, guys. If you want to create a file with the data, touch won't work. Touch won't work in that case, guys. If you want to create a file with the data, then touch is not going to work. By using touch, just empty files we can able to create. If you want a single empty file, this is the command which we need to use. If you want to create multiple empty files, then we need to use this command like this. Right, touch, right, f2.txt is one file, f3.txt is another file, f4.txt is other file. Enter. Now check ls. See, guys, AWS DevOps, these two are the directory files, f1.txt, f2.txt, f3.txt, f4.txt. These are the text files, normal text files. These are the normal text files, guys. Right. See, now here, I want to create a file with the data. Guys. How we can able to create? Let me add the steps here, guys. Right. So in Linux, so we can create text files in multiple ways, guys. In multiple ways, we have multiple ways to create the text files in Linux, guys. What multiple ways are available? One is by using touch command we can create. Second one is by using cat command we can create. Third one is by using vi, by using vi also we can able to create, guys. By using vi also we can able to create vi, etc. So like this, we have several approaches to create the text files in Linux. Right? In Linux, we can create a text files in multiple ways. What ways are available? Touch, cat, vi. So these are the different ways we have to create the text files. See, just now we have seen how to create a text file by using touch command. By using touch command, we can create the empty text files. How you will create single empty text file? Right? Create a single empty text file. What command we need to use to create single empty text file? What command we need to use? Touch f1.txt to create multiple empty text files. To create multiple empty text files. How you will create? By using this command, guys. Touch f2.txt, f3.txt, f4.txt, guys. Right? These are the things, guys. Touch f2.txt, f3.txt, f4.txt. These are the things we need to use, guys. Right? This is the command which we need to use. Okay. Right. So now, guys, how you will create a file by using cat command, guys? How you will create a file by using cat command? Guys? See, observe carefully, guys. Cat. Right. So here already we have some files, right? Already we have some files, guys. If you want to create a file with the data, I want at the time of creating only, I need to give the data also. Then cat command we need to use. If you want to create a file with the data, then cat command we need to use. How we will create a file by using cat? Greater than symbol, right? File name we need to give. It here. Now here f5.txt. I am taking it here. Inside the f5.txt, it is asking to enter the data. Right here, welcome to Linux classes. I am taking it here. Welcome to Linux classes. Welcome to Unix classes. Like this, I am taking it here. Right, guys? Welcome to Linux classes. Welcome to Unix classes. I am taking it here. So now I want to save this file and I want to come out. Then which see, guys, currently we are inside the file only. We are not yet came outside. Currently we are inside the file only. Now here, whatever the data I have given, I want to save this data inside this file and I want to come out. And how you will come out? Control C, guys. If you press Control C, the data will be saved inside the file and you can come out from the file. Now check ls, guys. See, f1.txt, f2.txt, f3.txt, f4.txt, f5.txt is available. I want to see what data is available inside f5.txt. Right? How you can able to see what data is available inside f5.txt? By using cat command only we can see. Cat. See, earlier at the time of creating the file, you have used greater than symbol. To write the data inside the file, you have used greater than symbol. But now, right, we no need to use this greater than symbol to see the data, guys. To write the data inside the file, you are using this operator. But to see the content, you no need to use this operator. Directly f5.txt you can give. f5.txt. See, guys, what data is available inside that? Welcome to Linux classes. Welcome to Unix classes is available. Welcome to Linux classes. Welcome to Unix classes is available. Very good. Now see, guys, here cat greater than, I want to write some more data. This data is not sufficient. I want to write some more data. Again, I am going inside the file. Cat greater than f5.txt. Right now here I am writing extra data. Welcome Spring Boot and microservices classes. microservices classes I'm taking. Now here, welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. DevOps with AWS classes I'm taking. Now save this data, Control C. Control C. Now I want to see the data which is available inside the f5.txt. What is the command? Cat f5.txt. Can anyone tell what data is available inside the f5.txt? Please guys, can anyone tell what data is present inside the f5.txt guys? Guys, please.
Classes, unit classes.
Inside the f5.txt, what data is present?
Linux classes, unit classes.
Only these two?
DevOps with AWS classes, Spring Boot, everything, sir.
Everything, right? See guys, right, that is the mistake. You won't get everything. Here, this data, whatever the latest data we have written, this data is going to override the existing data. You will lose the old data, you will get new data inside that file if you write like this. See guys, what we have? We have only welcome to Spring Boot and microservices classes, welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Old data gone. Here data is overriding. No, I don't want to override the data. I want old data and latest data, both I want. Then what I need to do? See guys, cat. Right now, if you want append the data, now what I'm going to do? I'm going to append the new data with existing data. Right, I'm going to do appending. Right, old data is required and whatever the new data I'm going to enter, that is also I need. So here we need to do append. If you want append here, we need to use double greater than symbols. Right, if you use single greater than symbol, what it will do? It will override the data. I don't want override. I want to append. Then cat double greater than f5.txt. Right, now here I am going to write welcome to Linux classes. Right, next welcome to Unix classes. Now you will get both. Welcome to Spring Boot and microservices classes, welcome to DevOps with AWS classes, and these two also you will get. We are going to appending the data guys. Append the data, Control C. Now check the data, cat f5.txt. See guys, all four lines came or not? If you use a single operator, it will override the existing data. Right? If you want to see the data which is available inside the file, don't use that operator. Directly cat space that file name we need to give. If you want to append new data with existing data, we need to use a double greater than operator. So like this, we will use the cat command. We will use like this guys. Okay. Let me add the steps related to cat. Create a file with data. Create a file with data. Here dollar cat symbol, right? Cat command we need to use like this. See here, file name we need to give it here. File name here I'm going to take simple f5.txt. I'm taking f5.txt. I'm taking it here. Now it will ask to enter the data. Here I'm giving welcome to Linux classes, and here I am giving welcome to Unix classes. I am giving it here. Now if you want to come out, if you want to save the data, if you want to save and come out from the file, right, to save note, to save the data, to save the data and come out from the file. What command we need to use? What we need to press? Just here, Control Ctrl plus C. Control plus C guys. Control plus C we need to press. Then you can save the data and you will come out from the file. Next, to see the data which is available inside the file. To see the, otherwise take like to print the data. To print the data which is available inside file. What command we need to use it here? Dollar cat command f5.txt. f5.txt guys. Okay. Next here, to append the data. to append the data, to append the data with existing data, and here we need to use this dollar cat double greater than f5 dot txt, f5.txt, guys. Now it will ask to enter the data. You need to provide. Please go through these commands, guys. In Linux, we can create a text files in multiple ways. What ways are available? Touch, cat, vi. These are the different ways are available. It create a single text file, empty text file I want to create. Right, by using touch commands, we can create the empty files. If you want to create a file with data, then we need to go for cat command. To print the data which is available inside the file. So this is the command which we need to use. There is no operator, just cat space file name. Right, to append a new data with existing data, we need to use this double greater than operator at here. Is this clear, guys? Up to here, any questions?
If we need to do like first two lines in the first place and second two lines in the last, so what can we do?
Swapping.
Like welcome to Linux classes and welcome to Unix classes is the first two lines what we gave, right?
Mm-hmm.
So first, in the second time you gave the different one. Welcome to ASW classes and those. So if we want to the first two lines in the first place only, so then what we can do?
In your notes, you are writing the notes, right? Right. First you have written these two lines, and the next you have written that welcome to Spring Boot and microservices classes, welcome to DevOps with AWS classes. Now, if you want to swap two lines, what you will do in your notes? You will strike off and you will write, right? Yeah, this is also files. We can't able to do such kind of swappings inside the file.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Right. So next, guys. Right. Next. Here VI we will see later, guys. We will, right? We have a lot of work with VI. Right. VI we can see later. Right. Now, before that, here we are using ls, right? We are using ls. This is hanger. Give me 1 minute. Right, yes. So now here, if you do ls, see here you can able to see whatever the files we have. These are the 2 directory files. These are the 5 text files we have, guys. These are the 5 text files we have. Now on this ls, we can apply multiple filters, guys. Multiple options we have on this ls command. On list command, we have multiple options we can apply. See, I want to see the long list. Long list means, right, for this AWS file, when we have created this file, on this file, what permissions are available? Only read permission, only write permission, only execute permission. What permissions we have on this file? And when we have created this file, who created this file? Where we have created this file? You want complete details. About the file. So then what we need to do? ls-l. Right, -l stands for long, ls stands for list, and here I want a long list. -l means long list, ls-l means long list I want to print. See, guys, what it will print. See, guys, how it is printing. Guys, like this it is printing. See, these are the permissions, guys. We will talk about these things later. We will talk about permissions and all those things we will discuss, guys. See, guys, this is the name of the user. Guys. EC2-user is the username. Right. For every user belongs to one group. Every user belongs to one particular group. See here, EC2, this is the group, guys. EC2-user belongs to this EC2-user group. This is the name of the user. This is the group name, right? Under which group this user belongs to, right? This group, guys. This is the group name, right? Where we have created this, see, guys, 16th date, 16th November, we have created this file. See guys, AWS, DevOps, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. Guys, now tell me, right, how you can able to differentiate whether, right, which one is the text file, which one is the directory file, guys? How you can able to differentiate, how you can able to tell which files are the directory files, which files are the text files? Here total we have 7 files. Right, in these 7 files, how you can able to differentiate which files are the normal text files, which files are the directory files?
By this RW or W?
W
Directly RWX.
RW or W?
at the beginning?
At beginning, it is saying RW space RW, right?
Yeah.
Maybe that means a text file.
See guys, right, by seeing colors, can you tell? By seeing colors, we can tell?
Blue one AWS and DevOps.
No guys, by seeing colors, we can't able to tell. By seeing colors, we can't able to tell, guys. Right, colors is okay. Right, here, directory files. 1 minute, guys, 1 minute. Right, directory files starts with the D character. See, at the beginning, if you have the D means, that is the directory file. At the beginning, you have the hyphen means, that is the text file, guys. At the beginning, see, for first 2 files, we have the D. We have D means what? Directories. For remaining all, we have hyphens means text files. If that file starts with the D, then we can say that is the directory file. If that file starts with hyphen, then we can say that is the text file. See guys, what is ls hyphen L stands for long list. Ls stands for only list, it will print. Ls hyphen L means long list, it will print. Long list, it will print it here, guys. Is it clear? Right. So next, guys. Next. In reverse order, I want to get all the files, guys. In reverse order. Right. So first F5, F4, F3, F2, F1, DevOps, AWS, like that. In reverse order, I want to print. In descending order, I want to print. Reverse order, I want to print. How you will print in descending reverse order, guys? How you will print reverse order? Simple. ls hyphen lr. Long list reverse. Reverse long list, guys. ls hyphen lr means reverse long list. See, guys. F5, F4, F3, F2, F1, DevOps, AWS, you are getting. We are reversing. We are reversing it, guys. Right? ls hyphen lr stands for what? Reverse long list. Reverse long list, guys. Right? ls hyphen lt. ls hyphen lt means what, guys? ls hyphen lt. Anyway, here we are getting right, command wise. Lt stands for timestamp. Long list with the timestamp. Long list with the timestamp, guys. Long list with the timestamp. You can combine multiple options also like this, guys. ls hyphen ltr. Ltr. Right here, this order is not important. First, you can take RLT, RTL, TLR. Anyway, you can take it here. Anyway, you can take it here, guys. ls hyphen LTR. I want to print, right, a long list with the timestamp in reverse order. I want to print. Right, see, guys. Earlier, right. So earlier we have F5, F2 like that, right? Now it is changed. Now it is changed, guys. Like this, you will get. Okay. Fine, guys. So now what I want to do? I want to remove the directory. I want to remove the directory, guys. How you will remove the directory, guys? What is the command we have to remove the directory? RM. RM stands for remove. Remove. Right. RM. Right. RM. Remove. What I need to remove? Directory or file? Directory. dir. RM dir directory name. Here DevOps is my directory name. See, guys. Now check ls hyphen l. DevOps is available. No, it is got removed. RMDIR, remove directory name we need to give. Let's see here, RM, see, guys, if you want, see, 1 minute. Now, let me go inside this AWS, guys, CD, AWS I am going. Now, currently I am inside AWS. Now, here I am going to create some files. Touch, right here, sample.txt I am creating it here. Okay. Now here, if you check ls, inside this sample.txt file is available. Now come out from AWS folder. Right now I came out from the AWS folder. So now tell me, if I want to delete AWS folder, how we can able to delete, guys? How I can able to delete AWS? AWS is a directory folder. How you can able to delete the directory folder? Please tell me. Guys, please respond. How we can able to delete the directory folder?
RM directory AWS.
Soundarya, .txt is not mandatory, madam. You can, that is not mandatory. By seeing the .txt, we can't able to say whether that is the directory file or text file. Even for directories also, you can give .txt. Right. So just I have given, for convention purpose, I have given like that. That is not mandatory. Just you can give F1, F2, F3, F4 also you can give. Based on that, we can't able to differentiate whether that is a text file or directory file. Okay. Someone is saying, how we can able to delete the AWS directory? Please. Respond. Please respond. RM
directory, sir.
RM DIR.
Yes, sir.
RM DIR. AWS. Hey, it won't delete. It won't delete, guys. If you give like that, it won't delete. RM DIR AWS. See what it is telling? Failed to remove AWS. Directory is not empty, it is telling. By using RMDIR, we can able to delete only empty directories. But inside this AWS directory, we have one file, right? This AWS directory is not empty. Something is there inside that AWS folder. So by using this RMDIR, you can't able to delete this AWS directly. See, failed to remove AWS. Directory is not empty. Right, what I want to do, I want to delete inside the AWS whatever we have. I want to delete those things first. Then I want to delete this AWS. How you can able to do that? Recursively, I want to delete. Recursively. Inside whatever we have, with that I want to delete. See for that, RM remove -R. RM -R. -R stands for recursive. -R stands for recursive. AWS. Here RMDIR is not required. Remove recursively this AWS. Right, delete all internal things also. Everything we need to delete. Now enter. Let's see, guys. It is deleted. ls-l. AWS is not available. By using RMDIR, we can delete empty directories. If you want to delete non-empty directories, then we need to use RM space -R. -R stands for recursive. Recursive means what? Internal things also I want to delete. Inside whatever I have, recursively all the things I want to delete. For that we need to use RM space -R space directory name we need to use. Is it clear, guys? So next what I want to do, I want to copy the content, guys. File content I want to copy from one file to another file. I want to copy the content from one file to another file. Now, let me check what data is available inside f5.txt, guys. Right, this is the data which is available. Let me check what data is available inside f4.txt. Right, inside f4.txt, we don't have anything. That is empty file. Fine. So now, inside this f5.txt, whatever the content is available, this content I want to copy into f4.txt. Inside the f5.txt file, whatever the data is present, this data I want to copy to f4.txt. How you will copy that data? How you will copy that data, guys? I want to copy the data from f5.txt to f4.txt. How you can do that? See, guys, by using cat only we can do. Cat, right, f5.txt. Inside this f5.txt, whatever we have, right, this greater than symbol, I want to write the data. Greater than, why we are using? Writing the data. For writing the data, guys, f4.txt. Where I want to write? See, guys, with this command you can able to print the data. Whatever the data it is printing, with this command I want to write that data inside this f4.txt. For writing we need to use this greater than symbol. Okay. Right, with this command, only if you give this command, what it will do? It will print the data which is available inside the f5.txt. Same data I want to write into another file. For writing, we need to use this greater than symbol. In which file you want to write? I want to write in f4.txt file. Enter. Fine, guys. Now check inside f4 file data came or not? f4.txt. See, guys, same data available in f4.txt also. same data available in f4.txt also. Okay, fine guys. Now inside f3 I'm going to create some more data guys. Cat greater than f3 is empty guys. If you see f3.txt is empty, there is no data. Now let me write the data. Cat f3.txt. Now here I am writing GitHub, Maven, right, Sonar, right, Jenkins, Ansible, Terraform, Docker Swarm, right, Kubernetes, Nexus, Tomcat, etc. Right, all these things I am taking inside f3.txt. Let's save it guys. Control C. Right guys. Now observe carefully. Right, cat f3.txt. It is printing all this data. Now, right, this data, right, inside f4.txt. Suppose if you go to f4.txt, cat f4.txt, here we have some data, right? Right, inside the f3.txt, whatever the data is available, that data I want to append to f4.txt. I want to append that data inside f4.txt. How you will do that? Cat f3.txt. Whatever this file, whatever this command is giving, whatever it is returning output, I want to write that data. I want to append that data to f4.txt. If you want write, just a single greater than. If you want append, double greater than symbol we need to use. See guys, now check f4 file, cat f4.txt. See guys, right, this old data is available, right, this new data also appended at end. Guys. Is it clear how to copy the data from one file to another file? Is it clear guys? Suppose. See guys, here I am going to copy the data cat f4.txt to f10.txt. Do you have f10.txt file? Guys, tell me, do you have f10.txt file? We don't have.
No, sir.
And in this case, what it will do? It will create f1.txt file, and inside that it will write the data, guys. It will create and write the data. If you don't have this file, it will create and write the data. Enter. Now go to ls hyphen here. First check f10 is created or not. See guys, f10 is created. Inside that what data is there? Cat f10.txt. See guys, all this data came inside the f10.txt also. Is it clear guys? Let me add these points in our notes. Right guys, here to get the long list of files, what is the command we need to use? At ls-l. Next, to get the long list of files with the timestamp, with the timestamp, what we need to do? $ls-lt. Next, to get the long list of files in reverse order, what we need to do? See here, $ls-lr. Right, to get the long list of files with the timestamp in reverse order. To get the long list of files, right, in reverse order with the timestamp. Right, then what is the command we need to use? ls-ltr. Right, here you can take, order is not important, RTL, TLR, right, RLT, anything you can take it here. Anything you can take it here, guys. Like this, we can apply multiple options on ls command. We can apply multiple options on ls command. Right. If you want to delete the empty directories, to delete the empty directories, what is the command we need to use? $rmdir directory name. Directory name we need to give. To delete non-empty directories, to delete non-empty directories, what is the command we need to use? $rm-r directory name. Directory name we need to use. Right, guys, here -r stands for what, guys? Note. -r stands for recursive, guys. -r stands for recursively I want to delete everything. Guys. Okay. Next here, to copy the content from one file to another file. To copy the content from one file to another file. To copy the content from one file to another file. What we need to use, guys? To copy the content from one file to another file, cat command we need to use. Cat f1.txt, f2.txt. Suppose if you want to copy the multiple files content into single file. To copy the multiple files content into single file, what is the command we need to use? Cat f1.txt space f2.txt, right here this symbol f3.txt. See, guys, inside f1.txt, f2.txt, whatever the content is available, that everything will be copied into f3.txt. Multiple files content we can copy into single file, guys. Okay. If you want to append the data from one file to another file, to append one file data in another file, one file data with another file data. Here, what is the command we need to use? $cat. Let's see here, f1.txt double greater than f2.txt, like this we can able to. Here, guys, all these things what we discussed in today's session. Guys, in Linux, guys, this is the first session only, commands wise first session only. In Linux, this is the third session, guys. In first day, what we discussed, guys, what is operating system, right? What is Windows? What is the purpose of why we need that operating system? What is Windows operating system? Why it is the Linux operating system? Just the theory part we discussed in first day. In second session, what we discussed, how to create the virtual machine in the AWS cloud and how to connect with that virtual machine by using putty, by using git bash, by using mobstream, we have seen in second session. Today is the third session of the Linux. Here what we discussed, just we started the Linux commands, guys. Right? In Linux, everything will be represented as files only. How many types of files we have? Two types of files, directory files and normal text files. How you will create a directory file? By using mkdir. By using mkdir, we can create the directory files. How you can able to list out the files which are available in the present working directory? By using ls command. Right? How you can able to know currently where you are in? By using pwd command, present working directory. Next, if you want to go inside the file, what command we need to use? Cd, change directory name. If you want to come out from the directory, then change directory cd space dot dot we need to use. If you want to come back, 2 steps guys. If you want 2 steps come back, cd space dot dot slash dot dot we need to use. If you want to go 2 steps forward like this, cd space directory name slash directory name we need to give. Next guys, in Linux we can create text files in multiple ways guys. What ways are available? By using touch we can create, by using cat we can create, by using vi we can create, like that several ways are available. And by using touch what we can do, empty files we can create. Suppose if you want to create single empty file by using touch command, so this is the command we need to use. If you want to create multiple empty files, this is the command which we need to use. If you want to create a file with data, then we need to use cat command like this. Right here, to save the data and come out from the file, we need to press Ctrl C. Right. See here, if you want to print the data which is available inside the file, see cat space file name we need to give. If you want append the data with existing data, then we need to give cat double greater than f5.txt. Right. See, if you want to print a long list of the files, ls-l. If you want get the long list of the files with the timestamp, ls-lt. If you want get in reverse order, ls-lr. If you want get in reverse order with the timestamp, ls-ltr. If you want to delete the directory, rmdir directory name. To delete non-empty directories, rm space -r directory name. -r stands for recursive guys. Right. If you want to copy the content of one file to another file, cat file name greater than file2. Right. Copy multiple files content in single file. See like this, cat file1.txt, file2.txt greater than file3.txt. If you want append the data with another file data, cat f1.txt double greater than f2.txt. Is it clear guys? What we have discussed in today's session, everything is clear. Anyone have any questions in today's session? I don't know why people are dropping. Maybe they know all these things. Huh?
Sir, is there any command to delete the text file, sir?
Right, we have. I will discuss tomorrow. Right, we can delete text files also. Everything we can delete, or we will come to there.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sorry for
Yeah, no problem.
interaction. Sir, the yesterday class, day before yesterday class, I didn't get any browsing option in Putty, sir.
Browsing option
What is the reason? Yeah, in Putty, after generation of Putty generation, then after that we have to go Putty Nasser
Oh, correct.
for uploading PPK file. So I didn't get a browsing option for that Putty, sir.
You need to go to Putty.
Yes, sir, Putty.
What happened? 1 minute. So here it came.
Yes, sir.
Right here you need to give your IP address of the system.
Yeah.
Right, port number and
IP address.
SSH you need
Yes,
to
sir.
give.
Yes.
After
Yes, sir.
that, where you need to go, here SSH is there,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
Click
Plus
on that
symbol.
SSH. Here auth is there, right? Just click
Yes,
on,
sir.
don't select. Some people what they are doing, just selecting that auth. If you select that auth, you won't get that. You need to click on that auth. See? Here we got that browse option. Some people
Sir,
are
I selected, I clicked but I didn't get that browsing option.
we are getting right. Do parallelly now. Now you can do, try it once.
How, sir?
So now,
some people credentials in art credentials also.
but madam, what auth credentials?
For some people in art option credentials also there, sir.
What credentials? It is it asking any credentials?
No, sir.
So please, you try once now. You try once now. Open Putty and check it once. Are you getting this browse option or not? Go to SSH. Just click on this auth.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Are you connected from laptop only?
Yeah, laptop only, sir.
Yeah. Now try it once. Guys, once your practice is completed, don't forget to stop your instances, guys. See, we need to see currently it is running, right? Select this instance, go to actions, and here instance state is available. Click on stop. Don't terminate. Tomorrow we need to use same mission, right? That's why don't terminate, guys. Go to instance state. Here stop option is there. Click on the stop. And if you are not stop, right, so your 750 hours will get complete quickly and bill will generate. See, guys, it is stopping now.
Sir, I went I went there SSH.
Okay.
Then after that auth, sir.
SSH, right? In that
Yes,
SSH,
sir.
just click on this auth.
Yes, sir, just click on auth only.
You are not getting this?
No, sir.
What you are getting here?
Sir, here IP address is public IP4 address. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, public IP DNS IP address only, sir. Public IPv4 address.
Take the photo, bro, if possible.
Do one thing.
Take the photo and post in
Right,
Telegram.
take the screenshot and put it in our group. I will check.
Yes, sir. Already I sent that 2 pics also.
Already you have said, huh?
Yes, sir. So
See, here you are getting same IP address. Are you giving properly?
sorry, sir.
IP address you have given.
Yes, IP address.
Here
given.
SSH you have selected or not?
Yes, selected, sir.
And here telnet is there. By default, whatever you are getting, keep it same thing.
The same thing. So SH after that, I click on particular R. So then after that, I went there. This open cancel, but I didn't get browsing option.
Here, if you click auth, you are not getting this option.
Yes, sir.
Do one thing. Uninstall that putty and install once again.
Okay, sure, sir.
It should
Thank you.
come.
So
Why?
if
Because
anything is there, I will.
all are downloading and installing from same location, right? So it should come. So do one thing. Maybe it is not installed properly. Delete that. Complete. Uninstall that putty and install once again.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. So please update the status in group once, whether it is working or not. I will check if it is not. I will check. I will analyze why it is not working.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys. Anyone have any other questions? Someone asked Yogesh. Someone asked that for Mac that mobile stream is not working. I will check Yogesh. That any other alternative is there, I will check and I'll update.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Fine, guys. So tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow we will see remaining commands, guys. Please, I will share these notes in our group. Please practice all these commands before coming to tomorrow's session, guys. Once your practice is completed, right, don't forget to stop your instance. Otherwise, unnecessarily bill will generate. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Good night.